Namar ka jing sokhia ka bajur halo ka jing sakta hakaliang ka songsuk songsngan hapo kitain kapun tang na ka daw ka jing ya ka japut ka bajuja hakitain block 1 mat block 2 kamtam ka jing sakta haki kampun roy hakini kitain nakaliang ki bor penyak district jong ka West Karbi Anglong West Jantia Hills mat ka Bhoi district lembat ki bor jong ki superintendent of police jong ki district kila pelong ka jing kenduk lang banetai halor ka phang kamtam banwanra ka jing songsuk songsngan la pelong ru ya ka jing lang hapo circuit house nongpo Kiwala Shimenta kani kajing kendulang ki kentup ya ka Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District ka Kong RM Kurba, Deputy Commissioner ka West Karbi Anglong, Udebo Jyoti Hazarika, Deputy Commissioner ka West Jantia Hills, Garot LSN, Dait. USP ka West Karbi Anglong, Minal Talutdar, SP ka West Jantia Hills, Lakador SM, SP ka Bhoi, Uspil Thamar. Laidon langru hakani ka sngi ba kentup ya UMLA ka Baitha Longso, jong ka West Karbi Anglong, U Dr. Mansing Rongpi, UEM ka KAAC, Bapet Yakalan and Revenue, Urup Singh Teron, Bat Kuntup Ru, Kinomik Mat, Namakalia, Baladon Lang, the UMLA ka Umroy, Ubak George Lendo, UMDC ka Mahoti, Ubak James Seliang, UEM ka KHADC, Ubak Latip Lang, Kharkungor, Ki Officer Napo ka KHADC, Bat ka KAAC na Assam. Lyngba kani ka jing kunduk lang lai shim ka rai ka bakhadu banwanra ya ka songsuk songsngan hakite ki jaka ka japut ha block 1 block 2 badru wan priang ya ki kam penroy lai krandu halor ki kam basha penpra ki jingte ka sarkar jela jong ka Meghalaya hakite ki jaka khaput balai kranteng banang ne khmat omde shu banja kum kini ki jingja bakta ki pajba henry shwa wan pentri kam ya ki kam penroy dei ban pentep shwa shaki dc la ka dei ka skim na ka sarkar jela district council ni ki skim sarkar kami Kanang banomi kano ka jingya pher jingmut.
This meeting between the three districts, the main aim is to ensure that developmental work in all the three districts are being taken up with prior information to the other district, so to ensure that there's no disruption of work and that people should not get any kind of misinformation and that the feeling of my district, your district, or anything of that sort should not be there. That we just want that people living along the interstate border should live peacefully and in harmony. And other things like border issues, that will be decided by higher authorities. That's it. Thank you.
Today, the district administration from the three districts, namely West Jantia Hills, Bhoi district, and West Karbi Anglong, had an official level meeting here to sort out certain border matters that have been actually causing a lot of problems between all these three districts, which also happen to be interstate borders. The matter of the interstate borders actually is a state subject, but we are happy that today the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council was present here in strength along with their officers, and plus of course Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council represented by no less a person than the Land and Revenue executive member in charge, Mr. Rup Singh Jaran. And what this matter of this seemingly intractable border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, we hope that, in the words of the legal advisor of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Mr. Irwin Spunga, he said the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. We are positive that today will be the first step, and the journey of 1,000 miles should be shortened, not in length, but in the time frame. And over here, we have agreed upon certain development activities to be taken up by both the state governments, or both three councils, that is, the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Because land matters is vested with the council, but the border matters is vested with the state governments. So the state governments have sent their representatives through the deputy commissioners of West Jantia Hills, Bhoi district, and West Karbi Anglong. And this is a follow-up on a meeting held recently in Sabuda in Karbi Anglong. Now the reciprocation is taking place here in Nongpo, in the district headquarters of Bhoi district. And today we have agreed upon to continue with the development process in the bordering areas, because the bordering areas, whether it be in Bhoi district or West Jantia Hills or West Karbi Anglong, they are the most underdeveloped areas. But that mutual feeling of suspicion, that should be removed. And roles played by the non-state players have been causing havoc. So the state will play a more proactive role instead of just reacting or going for firefighting. We will take what it requires to settle these matters, and we hope that these matters will be settled in a very, very amicable way.
Sir.
All right. I hope they are not very contentious.
Yeah, when it comes to the there are always contentious issues. So recently the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council passed a resolution to the effect that Block 1 and Block 2, which fall under West Jingiakynduh Hills, Bhoi, Karbi Anglong sector, should be returned to Meghalaya, and that the historical wrong should be corrected. So as a representative of Treilang, which borders these two areas, what is your take on that?
See, our take is that India that we have and the state of Meghalaya that we have, the state of Assam that we have, these are all historical accidents. And it's only through meetings like this that this accidents of history can be corrected. But for that, we have to revisit what is called the Border Commission and the reports laid thereof. Because right now, all these claims and counterclaims are always made by the non-state players. Of course, recently the resolution adopted by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, that one will also have to be ratified by the state government of Meghalaya, because the border matters is vested with the state government, not the district council or the autonomous council. And plus, all this area that, of course, if these claims are to be made, then the state of Meghalaya will increase, the state of Assam will reduce. For that, Article 3 will have to be invoked, because that one also is not vested with the state government, it's with the union government.
So you pointed out about the role of non-state actors. I don't know who you were referring to, but we have been getting reports of the role of state actors, in the sense that the Assam police are very much in hand when it comes to demolishing structures which have been erected by the Meghalaya government. Recently in Umru, the Assam police have been constructing a police outpost right in the midst of the village. But then the Meghalaya government has not been saying anything. I don't know what transpired at the meeting today as far as that issue is concerned. But what I'm trying to say is, Assam has been acting always, has been double speaking. When it comes to structures erected by Meghalaya, it demolishes. But then it continues, putting up its own structures. What is your take on that? Because you said that development should continue.
Yes, development should continue, because the border areas are the ones which are least developed, because these are furthest away. They are marginalized elements, parts of society which are living in the border areas, whether it be in Karbi Anglong, in West Jingiakynduh Hills or in Bhoi district. They are far removed from the state capitals, and they are far removed from their respective district headquarters. And this Demolition Act, which has been these are allegations. These allegations will have to be actually investigated and laid bare.